Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and today I'm joining in on a collaboration that's hosted by Dolls Rescued and Dory's Dollies. So this challenge is Dolls Gone Goth, and I've joined in before. I don't join in every month, but I have done this before, and I usually use Suki here as my goth doll. And this month, their theme is make something black. And they said it could be anything, but it would a prop would be nice. And so I've been kind of thinking about what kind of a prop I could make for a goth theme. And I really couldn't come up with anything that I wanted to make, but I came up with a piece of jewelry. That's one of my favorite things to do is make jewelry, and I love to make jewelry for these girls. And you know what? As I'm sitting here looking at her, I noticed she doesn't have any earrings. So maybe I should make some earrings in addition to what I'm getting ready to show you. But first, I'm going to dress her in something that I made during the Grunge Virtual Blythe Retreat taster that my sister Tammy Pally over at Peacecraft Dolls and I hosted. I think it was in September of 2024. And we made these little outfits. So I guess that's black. I made that. But I'm going to change her into this. But I wanted to show you the dress that she has on is actually this, just lengthened. So if you want to learn to make this top or this skirt, you need to hop on over to Tammy's YouTube channel because she's got tutorials on how to make that. And I'll try to remember to put links to both of those videos down in the description box below. But first, I'm going to get her dressed in this, and then I'm going to show you what I made, and then we need to make some earrings for her. All right, I got Suki all dressed in her new little grunge outfit that actually works for goth. Goth is usually all black, but I'm putting a little pop of red. Let me show you this little dress that she had on. It's just this top lengthened. It's got little slits. Very, very simple to do. You can either, I think I did this by hand. Yes, I did this all by hand. It was not on the machine. So that's how simple it is. All right, so what did I make? Well, I was looking through my jewelry to get a little bit of inspiration, and I came across this piece. Isn't it pretty? I made this a very, very long time ago, and it is definitely a goth piece. I used to wear this quite often. Now, I don't dress in goth, but I do like to wear black a lot, and I think black with a pop of color always looks good. I'm not really much into red, but when I saw this pendant, I knew exactly what I wanted to do with it. I wanted to put it on a hematite and some red crystals. And like I said, I wear this quite often. And that inspired me to make this pull charm. I had this little charm here. I added this carved flower bead and some crystals here. And I'm just going to hang it on her little eye pole. I'm just going to, let's see, get all her hair out of the way. I need to probably pull it back. But I just tie a knot. Like so. And before I tie it tight, got to make sure all the beads are okay. Before I tie it tight, I take the lobster claw and I open it up, put it in there, and then just tighten it. And these are really cool because you can change these out. I know a lot of my dolls, that's all I have. I don't have beads on their actual pull charm. I just have one that I can remove very easily to match their outfits. Now we need to make her some earrings. So I was going through some of my black beads and I came across these hematite. We have stars and we have hearts. And black hearts actually are more Gothic. So we're going to go with that. So I decided to take 3 hearts and stack them on top of each other. I've done this before where I've put like a crystal in between or maybe a little seed bead, but I just want these very simple. I'm trying to get this to focus. It's not focusing very well. Want it to be very simple, and plus the fact once you start adding beads, it's going to add length to it, and I don't want to add length to this. So anyway, once you get your beads put onto your head pin, let's use a regular head pin here. You're going to take some pliers and you just bend your wire at a 90-degree angle like that. And then I use my finger kind of as a guide to where I want to clip my wire. And that actually looks like I could probably use it for another project. And then I'm going to get my round nose pliers. I mean, you can use regular flat nose pliers, but you're not going to get the nice little circle loop that you'll get with a round nose here. I cut this a little short. Okay. And just loop this over. Like that. You make sure it's closed. That's not a very good loop. Oh, well. I cut it a little short. But it'll work. Just want to make sure it is closed. And then you take, now these particular ear wires, you just put your earring on there and you pinch it closed. They're very easy to work with. And you have to work at the back because of that ball there. It won't go over the ball. And then you can either take your fingers and squeeze or your pliers and you are finished. And there they are in her ears like that. And you know what? You can wear these too. Oh, I have got to do something with this hair. Not for sure what though. You got any ideas? Normally I kind of braid their hair, put it in a ponytail. Her hair is just so pretty though. I kind of want to have it down, but it is a mess. Anyway, there she is, all gothed out. I hope you go check out Dory's channel and Marna's channel. I will leave a link down in the description box below. See what they're doing. And I don't know who all is participating in this, but if you see a Dolls Gone Goth video pop up, check out and see what they made. Remember, the theme was to make anything black. Thanks for joining me, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette, along with Suki, with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.